Hi, I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 6260 Ohana, California, and today we're going to share with you what we bring in our bags to the parks.
Yeah, so we kind of have some different things we take to different parks and
different times of the year.
So we'll also let you know what we differentiate between parks. And of course, SeaWorld, well, we'll link our video down below about that one, but yeah, bags are not easy there. So let's go ahead and get started with Kim's bag. What she takes with her.
I usually take some sort of mini backpack. And on the back is kind of two items. I usually have a pair of Mickey ears with me in the parks. And this is kind of my newer find, if you will, is I like to carry like a little strap. And when I go on thrill rides and stuff and I take off my ears, I just clip them in here so I don't have to kind of misshape them or whatnot.
So where did you find the strap at?
I got it on Etsy. And
by the way, to let you guys know that all these products are not sponsored. They're just things that we actually use and we like to use. So.
Okay, next, of course, I can't go in the park without my ears. I love Mickey ears. But I got a cute little pair for when we eventually go back and get to go on Remy's Ratatouille.
You think they'll make some LA Dodger ears?
They do, somewhere.
Okay.
You want Dodger ear?
No. Has to be a Dodger.
All right.
Okay.
So let's go to the little pocket in front first. That's my easy pocket. So first thing I'm gonna get out, this is kind of silly, is I got the C-stick bands.
I love those.
Okay, some of the 3D effect rides, this usually just goes with us to Disney World or Universal Studios Hollywood for some of the 3D rides. They either affect some of Brad or other of our family members. I just always carry a pair because, a sick family member is not always a fun time.
Yeah, we usually have those in both of our bags, so I probably won't be taking them out of my bag because Kim has them in hers.
Okay, next thing is wet ones. You never know when you need these in the park, right? Little messes, little hand sanitizer, whatever you need. It's just kind of a nice thing to have, multi-purpose. All right, so I'm going to the back of my backpack in the big compartment. First items are seasonal. We don't get a whole lot of use here in Southern California, but once in a while I do. First of all is my little knit cap. Sometimes I've used this in Florida when we've gone in like January and it's been really cold at night and it's cute and I love it.
Yeah, there's been those Januaries we've gone there. It's been like the coldest days of January they have where it almost snowed.
It was really cold. We all bought extra layers. And after that trip, I've got little gloves. And I kind of just fold them up because once in a while, those cold Disney nights, you need a little extra help. All right, what's next here? Okay. Water bottle, refillable. Especially when we go to Florida, it gets really hot and humid and I go through a ton of water, so this is always with me.
And usually our water bottles are only we use at Florida. I just don't know why we don't use refillable ones at Disneyland. Maybe it's because you don't have as many refill options at Disneyland as you do at Florida.
You still get the free water at places that you can refill it with. I just don't think we think about it as much, and I think the humidity just affects us more and we're more aware of it.
Yeah, and so we all use those mostly at Disney World, but Disneyland and Universal, we don't use a whole lot of them.
Okay, next is seasonal. This is my Florida little fan. Southern California and humidity, we need a little help.
And I believe you can just find those on...
It was Amazon buy, and this is a rechargeable, so we're not using batteries, which is kind of nice.
I'm not exactly sure about the price. We'll put the price down below when we find it on Amazon. I just can't remember.
Okay, next thing. I always put it in a plastic bag because in case it leaks. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this very well. Sunscreen! It's my Super Goop sunscreen. We always burn. Good to have good protection.
You may want to re-say that one.
I always burn. Okay, so this is my Super Goop. It's the play body version. It's 50% SPF. I need a lot of protection. Next, little hairbrush for the parks. All right, what's next? Oh, okay. I carry with me my wallet.
It's a lounge fly. Go figure.
This was actually a gift. This was a gift from my brother, so I really love this. Hand sanitizer. And we use the Sol de Janeiro. Once again, we're not sponsored by anybody, but I like this because It's, what is it? So this has 80% alcohol, so that's pretty good. It smells really good and it doesn't dry out my hands, so this is a winner in my book.
Yeah, actually I use that a lot because it doesn't dry out my hands. All the regular ones will actually really chap my hands, and I have eczema that I can get on my hands, and everything else just kills them. That actually doesn't hurt me, so.
Okay, and next, I think this might be my last item, but it has yeah, this is my last item, has a few things. I got this cute little bag off of Etsy. Once again, it's a little Tower Terror bag, just to hold my little extras. They don't kind of bounce around free will. Once again, it's another Super Goop product. I like this because, if you can see, it's got a tinted powder with SPF in it. It's SPF, let me check this, 35. So when it's all done and said, and I've already kind of put on my makeup for the day, and I just want to touch up, and it helps with a little bit of oiliness too, just kind of, you know, freshen up and put on sunscreen. So that's my number one product in my little makeup bag. Second is my lipstick. And just a little cover up. Just little spots that might need help. So that's what goes in my bag. Yeah, I mean, sometimes I'll take pin books. I couldn't find my little pin book, so.
It's actually in my bag.
All right, so now we're on to what Brad carries in his bag.
Yeah, let me get this.
The kitchen sink.
I carry everybody's everything else. Do you see the difference in Kim's bag, my bag?
Yes, thank you.
So, I do like to carry a full backpack. I know it's kind of boring about backpacks. This backpack's only about $27 on Amazon. And the great thing I like about it, and this is a problem we find with a lot of backpacks, are these pockets are usually mesh on the side, and I break through them. These water bottles go through them, and they go right through them, and it just breaks through. Another thing I like about it is it has these little straps, and there we go. With these little straps, you actually can get your water bottle, knock them out.
A little extra security feature.
And something else we always carry at the parks is, give me a second, is this. And actually, being in Southern California, this is the only one we can find at home that's broken. But we usually do keep these in our owner's locker in Florida with a lot of our backpack stuff that's there. We'll link the review down below for our owner's locker. But yeah, unfortunately, this is the only one I have. What's great about this is we usually keep 2 or 3 of them. And again, on the side, and with that little strap, you can cinch them down. They don't come out. And with the backpack this inexpensive, I don't feel bad ruining it. And it is supposed to be water resistant.
Well, the nice part about that is when it's raining, the umbrellas are on the side, so we just grab it real quick.
Yeah.
So we don't have to like dig through everything.
And I haven't really had too big of an issue of them ever trying to fall out while we're on rides. So let's get into the front of the backpack, what I carry. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff. One of the first things I do usually carry is a granola bar. Because Hayden and I usually get hungry. And you know, you want to have something to munch on, and Snickers melt. So when we get hangry, we have granola bars. Second thing I usually carry, and you can actually get these at the UK and at Pavilion Epcot, is this. These are cold brew iced tea. These are peach flavor. I like them. Only problem I've had with them, when they splash around my bottle a little bit, they can break open and you'll get the tea grainy at the bottom. But I always keep a couple of these in there so I can refill through the day and still have flavored tea. Pretty happy about that. Let me dig in here. Oh yeah, told you. We both carry it.
Yes, it goes everywhere.
Oh, I got change in there. I didn't know that. I also carry my wallet. I like these little small compact wallets. This one happens to be by Ridged. It works great for what I want with money clip and keeping our passes and everything else that are the cards in there. So hey.
I always feel like Brad's bag is like Mary Poppins' bag because everything comes out of it.
Well, you guys keep throwing everything into it. This is the problem. We got more. That was just a small pocket at the front. My middle pocket, well, unfortunately, this is the truth of the days. It isn't at Florida anymore if you don't want, but...
Just in transportation.
Yep. So we always have masks with us because... Well,
you never know where you need them.
Yep. Another thing, well, of course, you see us doing it right now. We always have a camera with us. And I always in my bag. So, yeah, it's like Kim said, there's more and more stuff in here. I just keep digging. And cables. These are actually always important to have, charging cables, because you never know when you need to recharge. And there's another thing we do carry with us all the time is this. This is the fuel rod. And what's great about these, they're about $20. If you do go and download their app, they will give you a discount, I believe, of $5 off of it. So it's, you know, about $15. I'm not sure at the parks or if you pre-order them or not, but this has been really great to have. If they run out, we can just go to a machine, switch them out real quick, and get another one that's already charged. And really, this has been a lifesaver because we used to have a really big brick that we carried with us, and really for I can't remember what they say. It's $1 to $3 for recharging. This is worth saving my back for. But we really like this. Again, not sponsored, but we love it. And again, with your cables, you don't need the most expensive cables. This actually will come with a lightning cable, USB-C, and USB-B with a charger. So, hey, if you're in an emergency and need one real quick, it works.
It does.
All right, what else we got in here? Oh yeah, a magic band, because I actually use my Apple Watch now. So yeah, I like to have it just in case. All right, so that pocket done. Now here comes the fun pocket. Yeah, it's like Kim said, everything's in here.
I'm so appreciative.
Yeah, I carry Hayden's, Kim's. Talking to Hayden. Hayden usually does carry his own little pouch, backpack, a little sling backpack that has his water, his phone. And we usually make him carry a book, which he really likes these ones from Epcot from the Japan Pavilion, the Pokemon comics. So it keeps him busy because we don't want him on his phone the whole time.
And sometimes, you know, just need a little break. So it's good to have a little reading.
But I will carry it for him in California because he doesn't typically carry that with him in here. Usually it's only in Florida. So
yeah, that's just like if we're waiting in line or something and it's just gotten to be a long day, or like waiting for a dining reservation or something like that.
And talking to Florida, well, this is one thing we always carry. I always carry. Kim has her own that's in the owner's locker, which is a mini raincoat.
Okay, so I have mine that I got back at Disney World in our owner's locker. Don't really have a need for it out here in Southern California, so I just keep it there because less storage, less packing, and I'm happy.
So what this is actually a Columbia jacket. The reason I got this is for several reasons. One is it's lightweight, it's breathable. You feel like you're not dying, because I hate ponchos, because again, those ponchos in the Florida heat, you feel like you're just sticky, everything else. This doesn't make you feel sticky. It is, for the most part, keeps you pretty dry in the rain. Of course, we always do it in conjunction with our umbrella. And also a great thing is, so you can pop the back off as the hood comes out. Another thing, what I really truly love about this thing, and it's been the greatest thing, see this little pocket here? Well, it's kind of a pocket. It's a great place to put money and stuff. But the other great thing about it is you can do all this real quick. Yep. There we are.
All folded.
All folded in. And this is what it's size-wise. Yes, it gets wrinkled. Doesn't look good. For a $50 Columbia, I believe the name is, I'll put it down below. I think Gwyneth Lake. I can't remember exactly sure. I'll put down below what it is. But this is only like a $48 jacket, and it works great.
And you've had that for a long time, too.
Yeah, actually, I have two of them. I have one for here that we leave in our camper when we go camping because I love having it there. And we have one in our owner's locker because it's just comfortable. I don't like being sticky in Florida heat for some reason.
I don't know. That sounds reasonable.
And another thing that we usually do carry here, California and in Florida. Kim, more in Florida because the restaurants are so cold.
Yeah, when you go that humidity and sometimes you go inside and there's all the air conditioning pumping in, you're sitting at a restaurant for a while, so sometimes it's nice to put on a jacket.
And,
or a sweatshirt.
Yeah, and we'll actually carry them in Florida too on those January, February when it gets a little chilly at times. But here, it's mostly because Anaheim sits on the coast and a lot of the other resorts sit on the coast, so it does get a little bit cooler at night out there, so... Sweatshirt. I always have several of them. So, yeah, like Kim said, this thing keeps going.
I do not.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Regular water bottle. This is what we usually take to Disneyland. I know it's not the most environmentally friendly thing for us, but it's easy for us at times to just have those with us because we don't drink as much water at Disneyland as we do at Disney World.
You probably should be better at that.
Yeah.
Truthfully.
All right, what's next? Oh, yeah. Talking about water, in here is our small GoPro, which is great because it's a waterproof camera. We do, if we're going on water rides, we usually have this with us. Has extra batteries, has a GoPro, has everything in it. It is just a nice compact. I know it's a little bit bulky, but it keeps everything together for us again. That's kind of what we do, camera stuff. So this has been great for that, for holding it and just keeping things together. It's a nice little thing on it. All right, see? Just do the camera.
I can't believe you just did that though.
It's a GoPro. And the last thing is what Kim was talking about. This is one of her pin books.
Yeah, this one's empty, but it's only like a page or something. So it's good for like a single day of trading. And I have a smaller one too, but I couldn't find it. So we put this one in Brad's bag. But just like a nice little...
I believe you found that on Amazon too.
Either Amazon or Etsy. It's on both.
Okay.
So that's just my little easy. It's really lightweight. I like how easy it is. Like if you're on the go and you pin trade, just stick the pin here without the back and you're not worried about sticking yourself and things like that. And it's just real quick. And I just put the little back in a little pocket.
It makes it a lot easier than trying to take out the whole big books with the pins and everything else for her, which makes my day go a lot quicker.
Yeah, I could pin trade for a while.
I'm
Give it
in
the
a
chance.
pile over there.
You're not supposed to throw your stuff.
Wait, there's more! Camera bag, extra batteries. I usually carry at least 2 extra batteries for our camera, extra memory cards, and what's great about it is I can actually put the camera in and protect it if I need to, especially when I switch over to the GoPro. Okay. Again, more stuff.
Really?
Really? I think this is the last thing. Nope, there, okay, found it. This.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, she doesn't knows what it is. What is, what is this little thing? Well, this is considered, it's a dry bag. So what's great is that we can open it up, but we actually have different sizes for here in California, which we don't use too often. Especially, but when we do go on water rides, I will put cameras, phones, especially my phone right now is cracked. So I don't want water to get into it. Put it in there. Just kind of fold the top on it. Latch it up. And there you go.
I forgot my cell phone.
Stays dry. And these were fairly inexpensive off of Amazon. I really I'm glad that we've had these because we actually had another backpack that leaked a lot of water. Mm-hmm. We had a massive rainstorm. We had an umbrella fail at the time. I don't know what's with Florida and you go through umbrellas so quickly.
Yeah, we have issues with umbrellas.
And unfortunately the backpack said it was water resistant. That's why I said this one says it's water resistant. I don't trust them anymore. That's why I carried this, and it kept all our cameras, everything completely dry without any problems.
Whew.
So it's a great thing to have. They do make them different sizes. This one right here happens to be a 3 liter. They make them big, small, whatever you like. So yeah, this has been great. And guess what? I'm done.
Okay, I did forget my cell phone. I do carry my cell phone. That was my only thing.
Well, I was showing my cell phone, but yeah.
Okay, so I'm curious, do you carry anything else in your bag? Share with us your list.
Yeah, do you have anything that you wouldn't go out the parks without and like to let us know? Because we love finding new things to carry or new things that might make life easier at the parks. So comment down below and let us know. Okay.
So if you found this video helpful,
please like,
subscribe,
and follow along with our Ohana.
So with that, it's time for us to say goodbye.
And
Find your magic. Bye, everyone.